In this video, we will see 10 things frugal people never buy. So if you're ready to take control of your finances, start this video by typing "I am frugal" in the comments below and stick to the video till the end. 1. Things they can get for free. Frugal individuals have a keen understanding of the value of resources that can be accessed without cost. Whether it's books, knowledge, entertainment, or various online resources, they make the most out of these free offerings. For example, instead of purchasing books, frugal people utilize libraries, which have been providing free access to knowledge and entertainment for centuries. They take advantage of the wealth of information available on the internet, including blogs, ebooks, audiobooks, academic articles, and YouTube videos. By opting for these free resources, frugal individuals not only save money, but also reduce their environmental impact by consuming less. 2. Single-use products. Frugal people recognize the significant cost, both monetary and environmental, associated with single-use products. While these items offer convenience, the long-term expenses outweigh their short-term benefits. Disposable plates, single-use batteries, and plastic water bottles are examples of products that come with recurring costs. Frugal individuals understand that investing in reusable alternatives is a wiser choice. Instead of continually buying disposable water bottles, they opt for a high-quality reusable bottle that can be refilled throughout the day. This not only reduces costs, but also minimizes plastic waste, contributing to a greener environment. By shunning single-use products, frugal individuals adopt a sustainable mindset and actively participate in the movement against excessive consumption. They understand that even seemingly small savings can accumulate over time, leading to significant financial benefits. 3. Eating out frequently. While eating out or ordering food might be a common indulgence for many frugal individuals, view it as a luxury rather than an everyday occurrence. They comprehend that the price of a restaurant meal or food delivery includes not only the cost of the food, but also various additional expenses, such as rent, staff wages, and overhead. Instead, frugal people prioritize cooking at home as a more economical choice. Preparing meals at home allows frugal individuals to exercise control over the ingredients they use, ensuring that they make healthy choices and avoid hidden sugars, fats, and excessive sodium often found in restaurant food. It also provides an opportunity for creativity and experimentation in the kitchen. By cooking their own meals, they save money, eat more nutritiously, and develop valuable culinary skills. 4. New clothes without trying them on. Frugal individuals have a valuable shopping mantra. Don't just buy it, try it. They understand the importance of trying on clothes before making a purchase, as it significantly reduces the chances of buying ill-fitting items and later needing to return or exchange them. Taking a few extra minutes to try on clothes might seem time-consuming, but it can save a substantial amount of money and prevent the accumulation of unused items in the wardrobe. Frugal individuals recognize the value of those few minutes spent in the fitting room. By trying on clothes, they ensure that the items they buy not only fit well, but also look good on them. This thoughtful approach minimizes the risk of purchasing garments that end up collecting dust, with their tags still attached, representing wasted money. Frugal individuals perceive every purchase as an investment and strive to make well-informed choices. Like any prudent investor, they want to be confident in their decisions before committing. By trying on clothes, they can assess the quality, fit, and overall appearance, ensuring that they are satisfied with their purchase. 5. Retail therapy. Frugal people understand that retail therapy, the act of shopping as a form of emotional comfort or entertainment, can be a dangerous trap. While it may provide temporary pleasure, shopping without a plan or a list often leads to unnecessary purchases and impulse buys that are driven more by emotions than genuine needs. To avoid falling into this trap, frugal individuals approach shopping with a purpose. They go to stores armed with a list and a budget, ensuring that they only buy what they genuinely need. This approach helps them resist the temptation of sales, discounts, and enticing marketing tactics that stores employ to encourage customers to spend more. Frugal individuals also recognize that true therapy comes from activities that provide relaxation and rejuvenation without causing financial stress. They find alternative ways to recharge, such as taking a walk in the park, reading a good book, or creating a homemade spa day. By separating emotional well-being from consumerism, frugal individuals prioritize their long-term financial health while seeking genuine happiness and contentment beyond material possessions. Congratulations! You have completed half of the things frugal people never buy. Another half will be more valuable and exciting, so keep watching. Please hit the like button if you found the video helpful. 6. Extended warranties. Frugal individuals often pass on extended warranties when purchasing electronics or appliances. While extended warranties may initially seem attractive, frugal people understand that they usually come with an extra price tag and may not be worth it in the long run. Instead of relying on extended warranties, they adopt a meticulous research approach. They compare prices, read customer reviews, and seek out products with a solid reputation for being reliable. By investing time and effort in their research, frugal individuals are able to identify durable and dependable products. They understand that the key to avoiding future costs lies in purchasing items that can withstand the test of time without the need for additional warranty coverage. This way, they can make savvy use of their money and align their spending decisions with their budget-aware mentality. By choosing reliable products from reputable brands, frugal individuals save themselves from unnecessary expenses and unnecessary extended warranty fees. 7. Latest tech gadgets. While the allure of the latest tech gadgets can be hard to resist, frugal people exercise restraint and consider their purchases carefully. Instead of buying the newest technology solely because it is new and shiny, they approach technology with a different mindset. Frugal individuals focus on functionality, longevity, and necessity when it comes to purchasing tech gadgets. Rather than constantly upgrading their devices, frugal individuals are content to use their current ones as long as they are functional and serve their purpose. They understand that the continuous cycle of upgrading not only incurs unnecessary expenses, but also contributes to electronic waste. When the time eventually comes to replace their old devices, frugal individuals take the time to conduct thorough research. They compare various options, read customer reviews, and consider factors such as durability and value for money. By prioritizing functionality and value over superficial features and brand new models, frugal people make informed decisions that align with their financial goals. They demonstrate a wise and judicious approach to purchasing technology, ultimately saving money in the long run and reducing their environmental impact. 8. Expensive gym memberships. Frugal individuals value their health and fitness but tend to avoid spending money on pricey gym memberships. They seek out creative and cost-effective ways to stay in shape without breaking the bank. Frugal people understand that fitness does not necessarily require expensive memberships or access to the latest gym machines and classes. Instead, they find alternative methods to exercise and stay fit. This could include working out at home, going for runs or bike rides outdoors, or utilizing community fitness facilities that often come at a lower cost or are even free. Some frugal individuals invest in a few pieces of home exercise equipment, such as resistance bands, kettlebells, or a yoga mat, to create their own workout routines. Additionally, there is an abundance of free workout videos available online that cater to different fitness levels and preferences. By embracing these cost-effective alternatives, frugal individuals not only save money but also maintain control over their fitness journey. They understand that staying healthy doesn't require expensive memberships, but rather a little creativity, self-discipline, and a willingness to explore different workout options. By making smart choices when it comes to fitness, frugal people prioritize their physical well-being while being mindful of their financial goals. 9. Debt. Debt is a significant no-no for frugal individuals. They understand the potential financial burden that comes with borrowing money and prioritize avoiding unnecessary debt whenever possible. Whether it's a loan, credit card debt, or a mortgage, frugal people strive to live within their means and avoid accruing interest payments. Frugal individuals prefer to save up and purchase items outright, even if it means delaying gratification for a period of time. They understand that debt not only involves paying back the borrowed amount, but also incurring additional fees in the form of interest. While interest rates may appear low initially, the cumulative effect of interest can quickly escalate the amount owed and become a drain on one's financial health. By prioritizing saving and practicing delayed gratification, frugal individuals can potentially save thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars in interest payments. They demonstrate a commitment to long-term financial well-being and understand that avoiding debt is a key principle in maintaining financial stability. 10. The latest and greatest of anything. Frugal individuals have the ability to resist the allure of the latest and greatest products on the market. Whether it's a new car model, a designer outfit, or limited edition items, frugal people exercise restraint and consider the true value of these purchases. They recognize that novelty and exclusivity do not necessarily equate to worth or practicality. Instead of succumbing to marketing strategies and hype, frugal individuals take the time to evaluate the actual value and functionality of an item. They question whether a new car model truly offers substantial improvements compared to previous versions or if it's merely a change in aesthetics. When it comes to designer outfits, frugal people consider whether the high price tag is justified in terms of material quality and craftsmanship or if they are simply paying for the brand name. By questioning the true value of these items, frugal individuals are willing to wait, explore alternatives, and make wise purchasing decisions. They understand that older models or less famous brands can often provide similar functionality or aesthetic appeal at a fraction of the cost. By resisting impulsive urges and choosing to buy judiciously, frugal individuals prioritize value for money and make purchases that align with their financial goals. There you have it, 10 things frugal people never buy. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to learn more about personal finance and frugal living, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel.